Shares.
Yes, good morning. I am ED6QLPL, Evelyn Cuerda from Liloan, Cebu. I work in the local government for 8 years now. But I am a single mother of 3 kids. So I met Entra in 2020 during the high time of pandemic, but doing the lifestyles mission full-time since 2022. So dito, na-address ko yung mga illness ko, mga health challenges ko. So meron po akong allergic rhinitis, hyperthyroidism, dysmenorrhea, and migraine. And so with my mom na 82 years old, meron din po siyang bato sa kidney at cyst sa kidney. Taking the products Intra-Nutria na wala po yun in 5 months lang. So after 4 months, so I decided September 2022 to resign. So 4 months after that, na-promote po ako ng ED6QLPL, no? So pag dito, na-promote tayo, yung mga business partners natin, mag-promote din, no? So at dito talaga, mag-a-attend tayo ng mga events.